Illinois Motorcycle Permit Practice Test 2.
Question 1. If it is not possible to ride straight while crossing rail tracks, you should cross them at a degree angle.
45, 10, 90, 30.
Answer.
45.
Question 2. When parking against a curb, you should park at a degree angle.
45, 20, 90, 180.
Answer.
90.
Question 3. When traveling in heavy congested traffic, what is an adequate space cushion between yourself and the vehicle ahead?
1 second. 2 seconds. 3 seconds. 4 seconds.
Answer.
4 seconds.
Question 4. If your motorcycle begins to wobble, it is important not to
Close the throttle. Accelerate out of the wobble. Grip the handlebars tightly. Adjust your weight.
Answer.
Accelerate out of the wobble.
Question 5. How can you stabilize the motorcycle in slow, tight turns?
Remain straight while leaning the motorcycle. Lean forward as much as possible. Accelerate or maintain speed. Lean with the motorcycle.
Answer.
Remain straight while leaning the motorcycle.
Question 6. What color of clothing makes you most visible to other drivers?
Yellow. All these answers are correct. Orange. Green.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 7. What is engine braking?
An incident where your engine stops working. Downshifting through gears to slow the motorcycle. Using the kill engine switch to stop the motorcycle. Upshifting to gain speed on hills.
Answer.
Downshifting through gears to slow the motorcycle.
Question 8. The safest formation when riding in a group is
The V formation. The staggered formation. In pairs. Single file.
Answer.
The staggered formation.
Question 9. If you suspect the vehicle ahead of you does not know you are behind it, you should
Increase your following distance to 5 seconds. Move into the center lane position to increase your visibility. Try to pass the vehicle as soon as possible. Decrease your speed and ride in the left lane portion only.
Answer.
Move into the center lane position to increase your visibility.
Question 10. How can you warn the driver behind you that you are about to slow down?
Slam on the brakes. Flash your brake light. Wave your arms. Turn around and make eye contact.
Answer.
Flash your brake light.
Question 11. To help absorb the shock of riding over large obstacles, you should
lift yourself, slide off the seat, pull in the clutch, increase the throttle, apply the front brake.
Answer.
Lift yourself, slide off the seat.
Question 12. Who can share a lane with motorcycles?
Motorcycles and small cars. Other motorcycles only. All other vehicles. Lane sharing is never permitted.
Answer.
Lane sharing is never permitted.
Question 13. When approaching an intersection, the rider should select a lane position to
reduce the following distance, increase her speed and pass quickly. All these answers are correct. Increase her visibility to another driver.
Answer.
Increase her visibility to another driver.
Question 14. What controls the front brake?
The left foot pedal. The left hand lever. The right hand lever. The right foot pedal.
Answer.
The right hand lever.
Question 15. Which of the following surface provides poor traction for motorcycles?
All these answers are correct. Gravel roads. Lane markings. Wet pavement.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 16. Most motorcycle crashes happen
on short trips, on gravel roads, in parking lots, on long trips.
Answer.
On short trips.
Question 17. Helps you absorb shock when riding over obstacles.
Rolling on the throttle. Rising slightly off the seat. Pulling in the clutch. Using a higher gear.
Answer.
Rising slightly off the seat.
Question 18. Half of all motorcycle crashes are caused by
faulty traffic signals. Driving while under the influence. Drivers entering the rider's right-of-way. Not wearing proper gear.
Answer.
Drivers entering the rider's right-of-way.
Question 19. You should avoid attaching cargo to a motorcycle with
elastic cords, ropes, saddlebags, tank bags.
Answer.
Ropes.
Question 20. When riding long distances, how often should you stop and stretch?
Every 2 hours. Every 5 hours. Every 50 miles. Once per trip.
Answer.
Every 2 hours.
Question 21. The best way to swerve is to
brake while you are swerving. Press the hand grip in the opposite direction you want to turn. Press the hand grip in the direction you want to turn while avoiding braking. Pull in the clutch and apply the rear brake.
Answer.
Press the hand grip in the direction you want to turn while avoiding braking.
Question 22. To avoid lurching while downshifting, what should you do?
Make sure the motorcycle is traveling slow enough for the gear. Only downshift if you are an experienced rider. Brake while shifting. Never shift below second gear.
Answer.
Make sure the motorcycle is traveling slow enough for the gear.
Question 23. The best way to carry cargo on a motorcycle is to
keep the load forward. Secure the load with elastic cords. Distribute the load evenly. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 24. Use your feet to maintain balance by
pointing your toes downwards. Keeping them on the footrests. Skimming them above the ground. Holding them away from the motorcycle.
Answer.
Keeping them on the footrests.
Question 25. As you approach an obstacle that you will need to ride over, you should
increase your speed. Maintain the same speed. Slow down as much as possible. Come to a complete stop.
Answer.
Slow down as much as possible.
Question 26. Because riding a motorcycle is more tiring than driving a car, you should
avoid wearing dark eyewear. Drink caffeinated beverages. Avoid drinking water. Take frequent breaks.
Answer.
Take frequent breaks.
Question 27. For the most stable riding, your knees and feet should be positioned
away from the gas tank and pointing down. Against the gas tank and firmly on the foot pegs. Away from the gas tank and on the foot pegs. Against the gas tank and pointing down.
Answer.
Against the gas tank and firmly on the foot pegs.
Question 28. Why is maintaining a space cushion important?
It gives you space to maneuver. It gives you time to correct your mistakes. It gives you time to react. All these answers are correct.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 29. Help other vehicles notice that you are slowing down by
beeping your horn. Using signal lights. Flashing your brake light. Swerving from side to side.
Answer.
Flashing your brake light.
Question 30. When slowing down, which brake should you use?
Front brake only. Rear brake only. Front or rear brakes. Both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Answer.
Both front and rear brakes at the same time.
Question 31. Riding between rows of stopped vehicles is
permitted only in designated areas. Never permitted. Not permitted when riding in a group. Permitted during heavy traffic.
Answer.
Never permitted.
Question 32. For the most accurate turning, you should look where you want to go with your
eyes only. Head and shoulders. Head and eyes. Whole upper body.
Answer.
Head and eyes.
Question 33. You can initiate a swerve by
pressing the hand grip of the opposite direction you want to swerve. Pressing the hand grip of the direction you want to swerve. Applying the rear brake. Downshifting gears.
Answer.
Pressing the hand grip of the direction you want to swerve.
Question 34. The majority of your motorcycle brake power is provided by
the clutch, the rear brake, the front brake. By the front and rear brake equally.
Answer.
The front brake.
Question 35. While riding, you notice there are hazards on the left side of the lane. What should your lane position be?
Center or right? Left. Left or center? Center.
Answer.
Center or right?
Question 36. Which of the following is the most likely place for a collision?
On a hill. At an intersection. On a one-way road. On a curve.
Answer.
At an intersection.
Question 37. It may be important to change your lane position if you are
riding on a multi-lane road. Riding in a residential area. Being followed. Approaching a blind intersection.
Answer.
Approaching a blind intersection.
Question 38. If an unexpected obstacle requires you to turn left quickly, you should
press on the left hand grip. Apply the rear brake. Apply the front brake. Press on the right hand grip.
Answer.
Press on the left hand grip.
Question 39. When evaluating potential hazards, you should be looking for
all these answers are correct. Road characteristics. Other vehicles. Traffic controls.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 40. The side of the road can be dangerous to motorcycles because of
the pavement is poor quality near the edge. Road edge markings are often inaccurate. You cannot be seen when riding near the edge. Dirt and gravel buildup.
Answer.
Dirt and gravel buildup.
Question 41. Which of the following is true about starting while on an upward hill?
Position yourself at a 90-degree angle against the curb. Start in second gear. Never try to start on an upward hill. Use the foot brake to hold you until the engine takes hold.
Answer.
Use the foot brake to hold you until the engine takes hold.
Question 42. Which of the following can affect your ability to ride a motorcycle?
Prescription medication. All these answers are correct. Over-the-counter medication. Alcohol and drugs.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 43. Maximum straight line braking is achieved by
Pull in the clutch. Use the front brake only. Applying both brakes without locking wheels. Apply both brakes until the wheels lock.
Answer.
Applying both brakes without locking wheels.
Question 44. If you lock the rear brake on a surface with good traction,
Release both brakes and coast to a stop. Release the rear brake and use the front brake only. You can keep it locked until you come to a complete stop. You should release the rear brake and reapply it.
Answer.
You can keep it locked until you come to a complete stop.
Question 45. The most likely place for a collision is
A residential area. An intersection. A multi-lane highway. A school zone.
Answer.
An intersection.
Question 46. You should check your mirrors when
All these answers are correct. You're going to slow down. Stopped at an intersection. You are about to change lanes.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 47. A surface which provides little traction to motorcycles is
Gravel roads. Wet pavement. All these answers are correct. Snow.
Answer.
All these answers are correct.
Question 48. The X marked RR sign warns that
You are approaching a railway crossing. You are approaching a dead end. You are approaching an intersection. You are approaching a construction zone.
Answer.
You are approaching a railway crossing.
Question 49. It is dangerous to ride beside a row of parked cars because
You may drive into a car. It decreases visibility. Traction is poor beside parked cars. Someone may open their door into your path.
Answer.
Someone may open their door into your path.
Question 50. When following another vehicle, the lane position is the best for being seen.
Center. Right. Left or right. Left.
Answer.
Center. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.